Hello and welcome everyone. Today's video I'm going to show here about switch to UI3. So first of all, the UI3 is really like the DEV mode. I don't know if it's ready or not. So let me check out now how if it's really going on with the DEV mode, but never mind, that's not actually working on the way of the progress by the time on the UI3. So if you type in UI3 here, this is going to be actual plugin. Okay, so Figma UI3 is actually to be UI Copilot, and it's really like AI actually to make it to the element, to make it to anything that is really to be third party. So that is what it's gonna be done if you want. So really, if you would like to switch to that, you will actually need to use a plugin that is related to it. Everything about UI3 plugin. So that is going to be about how you switch. So if it's ready to be that, the switching to the DEV mode also, if you would like to switch to UI3, that's ready to have a certain big difference on the project. If you see on the right and left corner over here, this is ready to be on the development mode. So that is about coding and any other things related to it, and I hope this is video helpful.